Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram notification not working on iPhone. The first thing that you will need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to select notifications and you want to ensure that show previews is set at always. Then you're going to scroll down and select Instagram. And as you can see here, mine is turned off. You want to ensure that allow notifications is turned on and that all of the alerts right here are ticked and that the sound and badges are also turned on. After you have done all of that, you're going to tap on Instagram notification settings right at the bottom of the screen, and this will automatically open your Instagram account. And from here you want to select posts and stories and comments, and from here you can set it if you would like to get notified from everyone that likes, and you can specify the type of notifications that you would like to get. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix Instagram notifications not working on iPhone.